Hello, how are you today? We are continuing with our training, and today we are going to do a few of setting up this page to look a little bit, showing that it has bootstrap with it. But after that, we are going also to make some of these things to start working. So, like here, we should show data, and if time will allow, we'll go with this also to send data to the student. I'm not sure if we're going to work on this today, but yeah, let's start changing this a little bit to make it look nicer and well, and also making sure that it shows that it has in it it has in it the bootstrap so that it can be well looking good. So for us to do that, we will need to do a few things, and one of them is to modify where we had the content of the table itself. So, and that means we need to deal with exactly on the form. So the tab for search student actually is it's not a big deal, but the tab for adding your student, that's where we need to little bit work on that. Little bit, just a little bit. And then we're good to go. So we're not going to do much. We just need to surround all this code into div, but that div will give it for column 4 or 6. It's up to your designing wish. So after that, we are going to be able to say, so that will be simple like that, so that it doesn't fit everything up to where it is reaching now. Yeah, so as long as that we have this as sub, so let's push this a little bit. I love intendants because it allow me to read my code easily. And it's not something new, it's something that most of people like to follow. In the white space, yeah, leaving the space to see that, okay, this and that. All right. So with that, and also we are going to give this also the button. You see this one, we need to change it. And it should look as that it has bootstrap in it. So inside there, we're going to put btn, and we are calling btn. This can be any. It can be primary. You can check the color codes on the bootstrap documentation. Yeah, there is a lot of color codes there that you can use here. So this is not the only color you can use. You can use another color of your choice. And also we are going to do the same, but here we are not going to surround it with the div because it's not necessarily needed. But what we'll do here, we'll just put the the class. Yeah, I think that's the case. And inside the class, we are going to say btn and the btn primary. Yeah. So this will little bit change our code. Will little bit change our code, and it will make it a little bit more meaningful. Yeah. So with 4, it come to that particular end. We can push it to 6. Remember, this is the way Bootstrap is dividing your screen. So it's dividing by columns, and every number from 1 to 12 representing a size. If it's a 12, mean that it's fitting the whole screen. And when you reduce, so this is almost half of it. Yeah, so remember that so that you cannot confuse. and you will choose where you want. If you want it to be small, like here, or here, or here, or fill it, because I didn't like the idea of filling the whole thing. It's me, it's you, but also I think I can add just simple thing here. Okay, some people doesn't like this, but yeah, you can do what you like. Yeah, you can do what you like, but a little bit space it's needed. All right. So with that said, we are totally done on part of the modifying this part. Little bit start looking like it has what we say bootstrap, like CSS has been included and the like. So panopa chimene tifunika tipange and namva anthu akudandaulatu kuti maichichewa abcd, yeah, please work with it. Maichichewa is the best for me, not for, and for those that I'm teaching. If you think you are coming to listen to Chewa Zivuna Kwambiri, because see when yeah, thank you very much. Koma, that was a very good feedback. Zigo Mwet, Zigo Mwambiri. All right, so now we are going for the record because we need now to do some few things, and that's where now we get scared because it's not easy. So if you remember, we go to the server. This is our server. And thank God, almost all the codes are ready. Almost they are all done. Probably we can say it so. But yeah, let's see. So remember, this is the function to get our student. And what it was doing, it was getting the student and showing them like that. If you remember that, that's very good. So now we need to make this function operate here. That function operate here. So how do we do that? So let me take you through one of the main tricky, not actually even a tricky, but one of the main way to deal with this. So if you have a certain content and your table or whatever interface you are going to use, it has ili ndi njira ina yake yoti madata aja azionekera. Ngati uli nayo imeneyo, then sungapanga sizingakuvute kwambiri because chimene umapanga pamenepo umangotenga the same pattern kuyika, as long as that kuyika mu loop ija ipangisa kuti zinthu zionekere mmene zikufunikira zionekere. So ngati sikuziwa kuti zinthu zioneka bwanji at the end of the day, then sungapange chilichonse mbali ya user interface. So ngati apapa tikuziwa kuti zinthu zimene tifuna tione zinthu zikukala madongosolo ngati choncho. So ukangoona choncho means that iyi yapangidwa repeat, iyi yapangidwa repeat, iso yapangidwa repeat, koma zimene zikusinta all the whole thing yapangidwa repeat, zimene zikusinta ndi ma content chabe. So ngati ndi ma content chabe, chimene umapanga umatenga one of it, iyi ngati imos one of the whole repeated thing, one of the whole repeated pattern, and imene umangoika party night. So let's say ababa tiyamba kuisinta iyi kunalibe ma PHP code mumo, koma tiyamba kulowesa apa ndi apa. Umvese sana, tiyamba kulowesa apa ndi apa kuti PHP code yathu ija iyambe kugwira ntchito mofunikira. All right? Yeah. So kuti tipange zimenezo kuli njira ziwiri, anthu ena amapanga njira ina, anthu ena amapanga njira ina, koma tiyang'ana tikapeza nthawi tiyang'ana zonse mene ziyendera. Koma the only thing that you need to remember is the only pattern you are going to deal with. It will be just one pattern. And we are going to pass now these values from the loop inside here kuti ipange chani ikamapanga loop izizionesa zinthu zija. Alright, good. So in this case now we are going to call. So as long as that this is our this file in the PHP, ababa ndikoza kuika code ya PHP ya ababa. We can put a PHP code like boom, and the umumu. So I will use, so chimene, remember this file, if ngati tinayamba bwinobwino file iyi data izizi kuchokera ku database. So database yathu connection yake tinaipanga apa, ndenga tinapanga zimenezo apa, we need to call this include in our file ngati tikufuna kugwiritsa database. Tifunika likale ndi uyuyu, tikangokhala ndi uyuyu, ngati si choncho tifunika tipange zina zake. So apart from that, so the first thing we are going to do, let's include this. So we'll include this in our file. Hii imatanthauza kuti database connection yathu imene tinagwiritsa ntchito ili mfolder iyi, file ija funika ilowese umumu kuti tikamaitana akina dba ma variable awawa aziziwa kuti ma variable awa ali apa. So file ija ndi iyi, tinapanga dba chan zonse zili bwinobwino ababa. So dba uyuyu tikangopanga include this file uku, tikangopanga include adipasa ma variables ose aja amene anagwiritsidwa ntchito ukuku kuti tiite kuwagwiritsa ntchito. Alright, yeah. So tipita ku index yathu. I like to do including at the top because tizifuna nthawi inakezo. Tizifuna kanthawi kena kake. So tili include yathu apopo, tikangopanga include koma anthu ena samakonda zimenezo. Tiziwa tikupanga this is advanced yam basic, so osaopa. Tiona njira yabwino yoti uziteteza information zanu komabe panopa. Let's go. Kuli zinthu sinasinthe. First, last, no. Sifunikira ikale chonchi. Funika izikala ndi ID, full name, ndi location. So ID, full name, sizimene zilipo. Full name, location, right? ID, full name, the location. Full name, location. So zikuoneka kuti uyuyu sindikumufuna. Fourth column sindikuyifuna. Ngati zili choncho apaso uyu sindikumufuna. Kimodzi ndi awa ndi uyu. So ID, face, full name, and the location. Zimene zili ku database yathu. So damba kusintha zinthu chifukwa zinthu zikamakula zimafunika zizisintha ndithu. Tizisintha zivuta. So we have ID, my ID awapita ababa, full name, maina awapita ababa, location yao, ma location yapita apa. Alright. So ngati zili choncho tibwerera kwathu uku. Tiyenda nawo ndita ikakale kale database yathu yapapa ngati ukangoyiwala izizi zina zisivuta. So remember this method. So this method panopa singati sitipanga olo mmene ilili sitipanganso method yapapa no tipanga because tikafuna kupanga method ukuko ndedi utaya nthawi because zinthu zake zili straightforward. So tipanga zimene tapanga ukuku select all from student then akenako tibweresa tibweresa ma data amene tikufuna azionekera kuja kuti ifeso tipange chani tiyaone bwinobwino tiyagwiritse ntchito mwadongosolo sichoncho. Yeah. So izo zimene tipanga kuti ziende bwinobwino. So tipanga statement yathu. So we go where we want to place our data, which is here. And we say we are going to call variable yathu equal okay. No. Let's do that. Can we do that? Yeah. So tipanga zomwezi. Let's do that. Tipanga zomwezi zile hapa. And then we are good to go. So tika the info equal EBA prepare select all from students, I think so. And so is it student is what is students? Yeah. Select all from student database out of the student. Then again I got timaliza zimene za sala ndima for each whatsoever. Okay. So info secured nako tika ndi for each yathu. Okay. For each yathu. For each yathu hii tienda nayo ndi ujeni tienda nayo ndi info. Yep. Tienda nayo ndi info and then tienda nayo ndi we don't go with the value and because we tigulisa ujeni, right? So and then amapanga yoncho amapanga choncho koma ubwino woti tisamapange macopies ambirimbiri tipanga choncho. Okay. Kenako apapa tibwera choncho. Ibanje tibanga cross code yathu ija actually very line imodibwa uyuyu akungoseka uyu. So ubwino wake ndikuti tikangopanga choncho umwe musitiika ma HTML tags tiyavuta tiika ma ujeni basi akina PHP ya ang'ono basi ngati choncho tikangopanga choncho sizitivuta kwambiri because tiziyitana formation imene tikufunayo izilowa direct mumu kwakina magi apa kwakina otawa apa. So ID chan. Tikangopanga choncho tione. Okay. We said we have number one was the name, so we have 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So tigulisa uyu ndi amene tiziyitana papa kuti row zero, index zero. Koma wakumbukirani kuti apa pasingapange chonchi, you have to say print. Uyu ndio apa ya. Print row zero, row one, print row two. Yep. So make sure ukamapanga izizi, make sure kuti zikufanana ndi kaujeni kanu akaka, because uyuyu azilenga zinthu uku akamakala nazo timanena index imene tikufuna atipasa zinthu zija. Tikangogwirisa yoncho timasiya kungolemba ma html tag mu php code. So iyi imatithandiza kwambiri kuti mu php tizilemba za php zoka, za html zisale kumene zilili. Yep, tikangopanga choncho kati zili bobo, iyi ipitirira kupanga loop, cause loop ikutela apa. So ipanga loop poyamba, pachiwiri ndi at the end of the day. So ndikonza kukala ndi chikhulupiriro kuti ndikangofufuta izi andionesa mayina amene ali mkati momo bwinobwino. Alright? Ngati zina sizinavute, ndifunika ndiziyamba kuona akina ndani koma mwa dongosolo singati mmene zinalili pa nthawi ija. Yeah. So let's see if that's the case. Yes. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aba tili ndi Oscar Banda wakuzaleka, tili ndi Chimwemwe Kamatasi wakuzaleka, tili ndi Ndikumana Chimwemwe wakuzaleka choncho. Iyi imatandiza kwambiri kuti munthu amene sakuta za coding akaziona choncho akuti okay, izi zili mwakuti, okay? Yeah. So with this, I think we are spending more time, but we are almost at the end, and let's stop here so that we cannot take a lot of time, so that inuyo upange practice komaso undionese bwinobwino table yanu mmene umaipangira. So we are still, let me see your sum part of your code. Ngati mulemba mu comment, tangolemba mu comment onesani code yanu mmene mwaipangira kuti tikazioneke kuti okay, uyuyu anapanga bwino kapena uyuyu afunika timuthandize apa. Ngati isu zikavuta, don't wait, don't shy, just write in the comment below, say ndikumana ndi vuto apapa, how can you help me, and what can I do, and we are very, very comfortable to assist you. Thank you very much. You are with the Remy Gakwaya from Technolab, where technologies are being created. We believe and we trust that everyone makamaka anthu akumizife tikoza kupanga zinthu zoti zisinte ziko komanso zitandize moyo wathu, and we can do that through technology and through software development. Until next time, you are with me, Remy Gakwaya from Technolab.